Hello everyone. In today's video I will show you how you can speed up your TikTok video. First of all, we will quickly check if TikTok is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone and find TikTok. If there is an update button, click it and wait for the latest features to be applied. After that, open TikTok. When TikTok is opened and we have found the video that we want to speed up, we need to click on the arrow that is in the list of options for the right side of the screen. In the menu that will open at the bottom of the screen, we need to find the playback option and click on it. The new menu will offer us 4 options, where we can choose the video speed we want. However, there is an easy way to speed up the video twice. Close the menu that is displayed by clicking on the X button in the upper right corner of the menu. Now all we have to do is keep the screen in the right part and the video will be sped up twice. As long as we hold the screen, the video will be accelerated twice, as we can see. That's all for this video. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos. You can also watch our other videos on this topic. See you in the next tutorial.